Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you're signed in and the device is unlocked. This prevents permission errors. Next, open Settings. On mobile, use the Settings app. On desktop, go to System Preferences. Once there, navigate to Location, Privacy, or Account sections because that's where primary location controls live. Make sure to grant any requested permissions so the UI shows current values. Without permissions, you'll see blanks or placeholders. Now proceed to the location list to identify the primary entry. Once you reach the location list, look for labels like primary, home, or default. These mark the main location. If labels aren't obvious, check timestamps and recent activity to identify the most used or most recently updated address. This often equals primary. Also inspect linked accounts and device associations because a different linked device can override settings. If multiple candidates exist, prioritize the one used for billing, deliveries, or security recovery to pick the true primary. To finish, confirm the primary location by performing a quick location-based test. Drop a map pin, simulate a delivery address, or view billing location. If it's wrong, change the primary setting, save, and then sign out and back in to force sync. If changes don't stick, troubleshoot. Check app and system permissions, ensure devices are synced, and resolve account conflicts such as multiple profiles. If problems persist, clear cache or contact support with specific device and account details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.